guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing. This unboxing is from another fellow YouTuber. So we did a swap and she wanted some of my apple snail shells and she offered me some cuttings and I was like, of course. This fellow YouTuber, her name is Succulent. She has a very big collection. Her YouTube channel is obviously Succulents, and she has a lot of knowledge and she does a lot of research on the succulents. So you guys should totally check her out. She's also in California and she has a beautiful backyard. You guys should totally go on over there and show her some love. Let her know that I sent you, and let's just go ahead and jump into this unboxing. It's gonna be a little difficult just because my tripod does not want to work with me, so I'll try to stay in frame the whole time. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I just love how it goes up like that. I don't know what it is, but I love it already. I love the color. It's so green. It's so big. This is a big cutting, guys. So pretty. So that is so cute. I'll show you all the cuttings together as soon as I'm done. Hopefully my battery doesn't die because I just got this in the mail and I wanted to quickly open it because I can never wait. And this one is blooming. It has, you see the little bloom? So pretty. I can't wait to see these grow. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I do not have this plant, obviously. Okay, and she wrapped some of them. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I think I know what this is because she watches my videos too, so she knows that I lost my imbricata. So this is her imbricata that she sent me. It's so beautiful. So thankful. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. I love imbricatas and they're so hard to find here in Florida. And this is a campfire. So much color. I wonder if there's different types of campfire. Is this focusing, guys? I don't feel like it's in focus. Okay, there it is. Ah, so pretty. I don't know if it doesn't, if it does not working well because my battery's dying. I gotta hurry up. My campfire does not have this color. Oh, I hope it keeps its color. It's so pretty. I need to get my campfires to stay looking like that. Oh, here's more of that beautiful one right there. Oh, and then here's another campfire. I feel like this is a different kind maybe of the one that I have. I'm not sure. So pretty. I'm excited, guys, to open this up. It's another beauty, and this one is rooting, and it's already like trying to shoot a baby, I think. Look at the roots right there, and look at that color. So pretty. I'm so excited. I can't wait to watch this grow and give me babies. I'm gonna take care of that like there's no tomorrow. Put booby traps around it for all the bugs to die. Hey, there's more, there's more. I don't know if this is another one. I want to say it isn't because the shapes are different. So it's a type of echeveria. And I don't think I have it because it looks different. And here is, I think this is a type of aeonium that I also don't have. Thank you. I like getting stuff that I don't have. It makes me so excited. Okay, there's more. And here, is this the ghost plant? I don't know. I think it is. It looks like it. So pretty. And there is, I think, one more. And it's another imbricata. Okay, let me make sure the box is clear. Yes, the box is clear. Let me show you guys. So pretty. So I have this one. Let me set them all up so you guys can see. And the truck is going by right now, sorry. Look at all these beauties. So As you can see, guys, she has a really big collection. I believe when I watched one of her videos, she says that she has over 200 plants. So you should totally check her out. She's in California and she has experience with succulents. And her DIYs that she's been doing lately, she's doing some DIYs lately, they're really, really nice. I really like them. She's inspired me to add some color to my backyard too. Here they are, guys. Thank you, Marie, for all these beautiful plants, and I hope that everyone goes to check your channel and show you some love and lets you know that I sent them over there. Thank you. The succulent community is such a nice community, and it's good to support each other, so I really want to thank everyone on YouTube. And I know there's other YouTubers that also watch my channel, and I watch theirs. I don't comment all the time, but I do like and I do watch. So I want to thank everyone for supporting each other, and that is so great. Thank you so much. I love these plants, and I hope that they grow and multiply. Thank you. Bye, guys. You have a blessed day.